Namaste. Welcome to this NSDR practice, non-sleep deep rest. My name is Cynthia and I'll be your guide. Our intention today is to achieve deep rest without falling asleep, aimed at enhancing your mental clarity and rejuvenation. This is about conscious awareness, a reset for your mind and body. Find a comfortable position now. You may be lying down in Shavasana on your bed or yoga mat, ensuring you can remain completely still for the duration of our practice. Take a moment to make any small adjustments that will support your comfort. Now, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze and silently affirm to yourself, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I am awake, I am safe and fully supported. Begin now to draw your awareness inwards. Notice any sounds you can hear in this moment, starting with the most distant. Allow your attention to softly move from sound to sound without needing to label or react to them. Bring your awareness closer to sounds within the room where you are. And finally, bring your attention to the subtle, natural sound of your own breath. Without opening your eyes, become aware of your physical body resting in the space. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Noticing the points of contact along your heels, your calves, your thighs, your hips, your lower back, shoulder blades, and the back of your head. Just feel the gentle presence of gravity. Now, with a conscious exhale, invite a release of tension throughout your body. Imagine a wave of softness flowing into your forehead, relaxing your eyebrows and the space between your eyebrows. Allow your jaw to soften and your tongue to rest gently in your mouth. Feel your shoulders melting down your back and your arms becoming heavy and still. Allow your chest to soften, your belly to relax, and your hips to release. Feel this wave of ease moving down into your legs and feet. Surrender to gravity, allowing your body to become completely still and heavy. In this state of alert relaxation, gently invite your Sankalpa, your personal resolution. Your Sankalpa can be something like, I am clear and focused, or I embrace deep stillness. Choose a Sankalpa that resonates most with you right now. And mentally repeat your Sankalpa 3 times, allowing it to permeate every part of your being. I am clear and focused, or I embrace deep stillness. Shift your awareness now to your natural breath, observing it at your nostrils. Feel the cool air gently entering and the warm air softly leaving. We will now introduce a mental count to anchor your awareness. Begin counting your breath backward from 9 to 1. For example, inhale 9, exhale 9, inhale 8, exhale 8, inhale 7, exhale 7, at your own breath pace. If your mind wanders, simply return your attention to 9 and begin the count again. Maintain your focus on the rhythm of your breath and the count. Now, gently release the count after your next exhale. Bring your awareness to the subtle energy, the prana, accompanying each breath. Imagine this vital energy flowing directly to your brain with each inhale, enhancing clarity, enriching your mind, and awakening every neural connection. Feel a subtle, vibrant energy filling your entire head with each breath. Now, imagine you are the vast open sky. Any thoughts or distractions that arise are simply like clouds gently drifting by. They do not cling, they do not define the sky. Witness these clouds as they appear and disappear, allowing them to pass without judgment, and always return your awareness to the vast, clear, boundless space of your own mind beneath them. Feel the spaciousness, the clarity, the endless openness within you. Now, bring your Sankalpa back to mind. Mentally repeat it 3 more times with renewed dedication and optimism. I am clear and focused. I embrace stillness for your chosen Sankalpa. Gently bring your awareness back to to your physical body, resting on the surface beneath you. Notice a feeling of fresh energy and a renewed sense of mental sharpness and inner stillness. Slowly begin to invite gentle movement back into your fingers and toes. Gradually bring a soft stretch into your hands and feet, or perhaps a gentle wiggle. When you feel ready, slowly bend your knees and gently roll over to your right side and rest here for a moment, taking in the effects of this practice. Now, using your left hand, gently press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Keep your eyes closed for a moment if you wish. Then rub your palms together to create warmth. Place your warm palms over your closed eyes. Feel the soothing heat. Now, gently blink your eyes open into your palms. Then slowly release your hands, facing the world with a renewed sense of energy, alertness, and ready to engage with your day. Our Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. If this practice brought you a moment of peace and calm, I invite you to share this with somebody who would need a moment of peace as well. I also invite you to explore Ignite and Flow's 3-day Calm Reset, a free online Yoga Nidra meditation experience designed to help you invite more calm and to release stress. You can find more details in the description and comments below. Until next time, I wish you much peace and much ease. Namaste.